Stephanie.
What? Oh.
Anyway, I was looking at a burping contest, and I thought I can beat it. So
She can beat it. It's not even a joke. She can. She can.
I know, my mom.
In Quartz Hill Little League, she's known for being the loudest burper. It's not even funny. She burps like a man.
Hey!
In the good kind of way.
How is that a good kind of way?
You burp like a man.
Okay, anyway. Should I do it? Because she can burp too, but
I'm not burping.
But not that loud.
No, because I'm never burping again.
Okay.
I hurt my side. Wait. Ow!
You're so weird.
You would trip me. I bet you would.
No,
Wait.
I wouldn't. Okay, got the camera. Okay. And I can burp out people's names. You just sent me your name, and I can make a video of your name, and yeah.
Oh, she can also say bad words. Like,
no, I don't say bad words. Well,
I said crap.
I just say crapola. So, yeah. And I have tongue tricks, but that's my next video. But I suck at it. Okay. Anyway.
I can do finger tricks.
Hey.
See, no one can do that.
That's one of them. That's my smallest one I've ever done.
That's not even her loudest.
No, not even our longest. My longest. Okay, my longest burp was like a minute.
I need a marker.
But I don't know if I can do it anymore.
Thank you.
So I can burp people's names, and I can burp Stephanie's name. Watch, and her last name. I think.
Don't say it. Don't need stalkers.
Stephanie. See, and my dad thinks it's really cool, but my mom, she thinks that I'm not girly, but I'm not. Come on, look at the clothes that I'm wearing. Look at this. It's all flowers and ruffles. Hey! It's not scary. Look what she wrote. It's scary. To hear me burp, but it's not. Go back. Okay. And I know I'm talking too much. Let me burp. That's a sample. Okay. That's such a small one. Okay. Well, anyway, I'll burp a few more times, and if anyone out there that can beat me, just send me a video, and yeah, and type me your name, and so I can burp it or something. And yeah, I can't stop saying yeah, but I'll burp more times. And that's out to the girl that I'm supposed to make a video response to her, because she can burp and do a weird thing with her nose. Okay. And write comments. And if you think it's disgusting, then you wasted your time to watch this video anyway. So it's not my fault, actually.
Loner, if you actually think that this is an interesting video and you if you think this is a nasty video and you're watching it, congratulations, you just wasted 4 whole minutes.
And you're weird for watching this video if you hated it. So people actually.
What are you even doing here? Leave.